Hello everyone, I have launched a new course and certification called Certified Malware Developer. You can go to this website courses.pointersec.com and click on Certified Malware Developer. It only costs $199. You can start learning Windows API and malware development techniques in this course. It is fully beginner based course. So I have added some description here and prerequisites. You need 50 GB storage for VMs and 50 GB internet access. You need at least 8 GB RAM or even 4 GB RAM is enough. And the course contains 50 plus lab challenges and readily available course snippets and the course videos. You can watch the videos and write your own code, or you can use our course snippets and do the lab challenges. So there are 50 lab challenges for now. More challenges will be added in the future. So the challenges are of type like this. So there are around 50 challenges. So enumerating OS version, we need to upload a 64-bit binary that enumerates operating system's major version, minor version and build number, and prints in the following format. So major version dot minor version dot build number. So you need to write the code in the in C, C++ or C# using the Windows API functions and print out these numbers, OS version, and you can choose the file and submit. Upon submission, you will receive the flag if your binary correctly prints this number. So in the same way, you have so many challenges here. When you go through 1 to 50 challenges, the difficulty increases, and also the wide variety of topics are covered. Even API hooking is also covered. So this is the interactive learning, and the exam, there will be an examination to get the certificate. The exam contains 6 challenges. You need to solve minimum 3 to pass the exam. So each challenge contains points. You need to have 50 minimum points to pass the exam. So if you are good at solving these challenges, you can breeze through the exam challenges. So after solving the exam challenges, you can receive the certification. You can receive this certificate. Your name can be here. So you can see the course curriculum here. So I have covered many malware techniques. I also included the challenge walkthrough videos and all the code for the for all the videos, and the price is only $199. So that's all for this video. I have launched this certification. I also created a Discord server, and if you can join, even if you do not want to enter a course, you can join and discuss about cybersecurity things. So thank you.